A lot of you were asking me, paano mo nababalance ang school at work? Hi, it's Althea Blan, and for this video, I will answer a question on how I managed to pursue both because of my dreams. Isa sa pinaka-namimiss ko yung pumapasok sa school, may classmates, at sabi nga nila, high school life is the best year. Ikaw ba yung tipong tagasulat ng notes, tapos hihingiin na lang sa'yo yung kopya? Tagatawa sa mga jokes ng classmates? May tagasaway din dyan. Siyempre, hindi rin mawawala ang always present sa pag-recite. O